Yesterday I did an unboxing of the Amazfit Band 5 and I was asked if I could display some of the features that it has, so here we are today. Okay, I'm going to place my hand on the table. SpO2 can take a little while to measure. There you go. Other features. Okay, now we'll do shortcuts that I have. Stopwatch, camera, do not disturb, music control, and Alexa. Alexa, what is the weather like today? And there you go. As you can see, my battery's at 51. When I received it, I think it was charged around 60 something percent. Battery wise, I have it configured in the Zepp app to basically do continuous monitoring and also continuous sleep monitoring. So it's supposed to use up the battery a little faster. Hope that helps.